Hi guys, this is Lee the Sprayer from Cariad Custom drums, as you can see by our logo. So this is an old video that got quite a few views in a short period of time on YouTube. This had over 10,000 views, and I took it off because I rambled for about 4 minutes before explaining stuff for what I was trying to achieve by having a drum shop and a custom drum building set up and all that, and then I went into the video. So this is the very, very early days, guys. It said it had quite a lot of views straight away, and this was my experimental stage. Like, I didn't have a spray booth there. I tried this in a little workshop. Being small, it was safe enough. Before opening up anything to do with Cariad, now we have a full shop, Cariad drum shop. We have Lee Smith's drum page with all the tips, and we have Cariad Custom drums next door. So we got a nice brand that has brewed over the last 5 years in all. But as I said, this was my experimental stage, well before doing anything, thinking about things. I wasn't on Facebook at the time, nothing, and I did a little bit of a YouTube channel to try things out. Playing wise, my hands weren't good enough anymore because I'd had a 15-year break from playing any sort of drums, so my hands weren't strong enough. You know, the whole thing just wasn't there now, so I had a lot of work to do. But the procedures in which I do, although they're very similar to this, I've actually changed a lot of procedures. The sanders that I use are better, the spraying techniques have improved, the polishing side of things as well as improved, and we don't clamp from the inside anymore. Now we dangle over from the top, instead of pinning the shell from the bottom, as you can see there. It's all perfectly safe as long as everything has got covers and lots of soft materials around it. But as I said, I've changed or improved the techniques in which we are doing, but the results are still there. It's all 2-pack paints, all proper lacquers. I don't use an orbital around the edge. I did on this video only, guys. I do it all by hand. Although that's quite safe to do, but I do everything by hand now for the bearing edges to remove the paints and all the rest of it. And other than that, it's pretty much very, very similar. I have better overalls now rather than the big, whatever that is, leather welder's apron. But that was what I was doing at the time. So yes, look, there you are, nice and shiny. Speed up now, get it all bolted together, and away we go. There's a little steel rim that I experimented with by cutting one of the part of the flange off, and there we are, guys. So please get in touch, please give us a like on our videos. Very interesting, look at that, it's like glass. I must admit, that is like glass. And there's an old Yamaha I did as well, which was black underneath with a gold red sparkle on the top. So there's a slightly darker feel to the red. The other one being brighter was a red on red. Does make a difference. And now we throw in shells out like there's no tomorrow. We've done a lot of drum kits. You can see it on our website, cariadcustomdrums.com. You can see pictures and images of the stuff that we have done. This is a green one, obviously, but it looks black until the light hits it, look. And then you get a very fine fairy dust sparkle underneath. So there's a few of our examples, and it says this was edited by me and my dog called Bud. That's a few years ago. Unfortunately, he's gone now, love him, but he was my pride and joy. So there you go. I don't know why I put this on the end of the video, but I chose to do so. The handsome boy that he was. So take care, over and out everybody. See you soon. Bye.